Hi, this is Fizzy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to delete your current location data on TikTok. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! So, TikTok automatically collects curtain information that can help determine your general location. Even if you don't tag where you are in your post, this can include information related to your SIM card, network connection, and device characteristic. And TikTok may also collect precious location data such as GPS coordinates if this feature is available in your region and you choose to enable location permission on your device. So, what if you want to delete the your curtain location data on your TikTok for some reason? It's very simple. So first you have to open our TikTok. Now from here you can go to your profile. From your profile you can tap on the upper right corner on the three lines over here. You can go to settings and privacy. You can just scroll down until you find there is an option contacts and location on the content and display section. This one. You can just scroll down and you'll find there is an option delete curtain location data. You can just select on that. So when you delete it, TikTok automatically deletes your data it directly receive from your device's location services if it's older than 30 days. By selecting delete below, you may choose to delete this data at any time. TikTok will continue to retain other less specific location information such as your city, your account. You can just select and delete. So now your location history is deleted. It's very simple, right? So that is how to delete your curtain location data on TikTok. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.